Hey, what's up you guys, it's Bonitarebel. I'm here today with another hair review, and this hair review is from Beauty Forever, and they sent me some cute bundles, you know what I'm saying? I have done their bundles before. This is the second time reviewing. So what I have in today is a 20-inch frontal, a 24 and a 26 and a 26 inches, and oh gosh, see, it is beautiful. And if you guys didn't already before, there's another video, there's a step 1 video to show you guys how I did this, you know, how I did these streaks in the hair, or highlights, whatever it's called, how I got the brownish look and the blackish, and how I applied it. I was supposed to put it on with Gots to Be Glued. I even bought Gots to Be Glued because I left it in LA. I even bought it and I sewed it in wrong. I didn't leave enough space, so now it's like a half wig, which is not a problem with me because I can always sew this in when I'm out of town or something. So you guys will see me do the highlights, and you guys see that it's still curling back to its original, you know, curls. It's really cute. Beauty Forever hair is legit my favorite hair for curly hair. It has to be Beauty Forever and Longy hair. They're very, like, you know, my best hair vendors that they send me. So the frontal, I just wear it as a half wig. You see the frontal starts back there, and I just make it blend in with my real hair because there was no way I was gonna be able to do that with my big head. There was no way, like, it was coming out right. It's way back there. So just like a half wig. I'll show you guys the back. This is so full for 3 packs. So full, like, look at the hair, like, so full. For it to be only 3 packs. And then you guys will see me put the highlights at the end. I love this hair. It's so freaking pretty, like, I love it. The 26 inches goes down to my boobs. It's really long though. It'll, like, if you straighten it all the way out, it goes to like my stomach. Because I see people with natural curly hair that do highlights, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Like, if I had long nice hair and curly hair, I would put highlights, because you see that it kind of like brings out the curls like 10 times more. And then the ends has it. You guys will see me dye it, and you guys will see me apply this wig on. I hope you guys liked it. Beauty Forever hair, this one, you know, you guys get an A+ with me. You guys always send me some good hair, and I can't even complain. Like, for this to be 3 bundles, you guys, and only a frontal. Some people be trying to get four bundles in a frontal. No, you only need 3. The only cons I don't like about this hair is nothing. I really like it. I like how it's not too curly, and I love, already before I showed you guys how to manage their hair. I like how it's not too curly, not too poofy. It doesn't get too tangly. Like, you see, like, for it to be so much hair, and you guys seen me dye it and all that. Look at the, for this to be bleach, you guys, look at how light this came out in the back with the foil. Didn't burn or anything. So Beauty Forever hair, you guys got me sold, and I hope you guys, you know, rock out with them too. I think you guys will really like them. They're really good vendors, and very trustworthy, because I don't really trust other people with curly hair. I love you guys. It's Bonitarebel. If you haven't already, get Bonita season. It's out in stores today. Well, on a streaming service, you know what I mean.